Hello.
Hi, nice to see you.
I was reading about different cities and countries today.
Really? What kind of information did you find?
For example, I learned that London is in Great Britain.
Yes, London is a very famous city.
And people there speak English.
That makes sense.
I also read something about Maria.
What did it say about her?
It said Maria is from Madrid.
So she must speak Spanish.
Yes, because Madrid is in Spain.
Exactly.
But one sentence said Maria is from England.
That seems incorrect.
I agree, because Madrid is definitely in Spain.
Right?
Another part talked about Peter and Martha.
Who are they?
It said they are from Berlin.
Then they probably speak German.
Yes, since Berlin is in Germany.
Do you speak German?
No, I don't.
There was also a question. Do both of you speak German?
Yes, I remember that sentence.
Interesting.
The text also mentioned capital cities.
Oh,
It said London is a capital city.
that's true.
And Madrid and Berlin are also capital cities.
Yes, all three are capitals.
It also said capital cities are big and noisy.
That is usually true.
I also read about continents.
What did it say?
It said France is in Europe.
Correct.
Egypt is in Africa.
Yes,
Japan is in Asia.
absolutely.
But one sentence said Japan is in Africa.
That is definitely wrong.
I know.
What else did you read?
It said Canada is in North America.
Yes, Canada is huge.
Panama is in Central America.
Right?
And Brazil is in South America.
Yes, Brazil is very large.
There were many interesting facts.
Sounds like you learned a lot.
I think so.
Did you enjoy reading all that?
Yes, especially the parts about languages.
Languages are fascinating.
For example, knowing that London is in Great Britain helps me remember that people speak English there.
True.
And knowing Madrid is in Spain helps me remember Spanish.
Exactly.
Berlin being in Germany reminds me of German.
Yes,
Do you like learning about geography?
I do.
I think geography helps us understand cultures.
I agree.
For example, Europe has many countries close together.
Yes, and many languages.
Africa is huge and diverse.
Very true.
Asia is also very large.
And full of history.
North America has Canada and the United States.
And Mexico.
Central America connects the continents.
Yes, countries like Panama.
South America has Brazil, Argentina, and many others.
Beautiful places.
I think capital cities are interesting too,
Why?
because they are usually big and noisy, like the text said.
Yes, capitals are often crowded.
London is very busy.
Madrid too.
And Berlin.
All three are important cities.
Do you want to visit any of them?
Maybe London.
Why London?
Because I want to practice English.
That's a good reason.
What about you?
I want to visit Madrid.
To learn Spanish.
Yes, and to see the culture.
Spain is beautiful.
Germany is also interesting.
Yes, Berlin has a lot of history.
I think learning languages helps when traveling.
Definitely.
Do you think capital cities are too noisy?
Sometimes, but they are exciting.
True.
Did the text say anything else?
Mostly about countries and continents.
Geography is fun.
Yes, especially when the information is simple and clear.
I agree.
I think I will continue reading more.
That's great.
Maybe next time I will learn about other continents.
Like Australia.
Yes, or Antarctica.
Good idea.
Well, I enjoyed talking about this.
Me too.
Thanks for listening.
Anytime.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.